Hello India, Namaskar. This is Kiranmay Mondal, founder CEO of DK Enterprise. We have launched an application that's named DK Enterprise. You can download it from Play Store. Just type DK Enterprise without space and click on the next link. Then you get our application on Play Store. Then click on the icon of our brand name and then you will get our application. Then install it, log in. If you are lucky, you will get 50 rupees on your phone pay, GPay or Paytm phone number. Download very soon and log in. Then send us a screenshot of home screen at our mobile phone number 9137 415 463. We will find the winner and send the prize to their mobile phone number. You can buy 50 different types of incense sticks from our application, and also you will get a doorstep delivery. Cash on delivery also available in our application. Our rural incense sticks reach your home in urban packaging. So thank you so much. Download our application and win a prize and purchase 50 types of different incense sticks from our website www.dkenterprise.website, or if you wish you have to buy our all products from our application named DK Enterprise. Type it without space. So it's a very easy to install our application. Thank you so much.